Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be talking to you about 3 frugal tips. Before that, a huge shout out to Best Cook on my channel, a wonderful, sweet lady. Please visit her channel. Now, coming back to our frugal tip number 1. I love foam soap. It feels so good on the hands, but they are so expensive. There is a small trick over here. Use any soap, refillable soap that you get, and take the empty container of home soap dispenser. All that you will need is a few tablespoons of the soap, the actual thick soap that we use to wash hands. And now to this, I have added, I think, a tenth of the container, that is around 2 to 3 tablespoons. The rest, go ahead and add water, just plain old tap water. Fill it up to the top, and now you will see, close the lid and shake it. That's all you will need to do, and you will get an amazing foamy soap every time you wash your hands. Foam soap is expensive, but this trick will make you really happy and will help you save money. Try this tip out. Now, coming back to our tip number 2. Here is vinegar and the normal dish detergent that you will use. You can use any dish detergent of your choice. You take 3/4 of it in a container like this. I like to use squeezy bottles near my sink, so it's easy to dispense it into the sponge or the scrub that you will scrub the dishes with. Fill it to the 3/4, rest quarter, fill it with vinegar. It does an amazing trick. It cleans out all the oils from your container, and you will be really amazed by the results of it. And you will be stretching dish soap. Everything is expensive these days. Now, coming back to tip number 3, this is for our disinfectant spray. Anything in the market, if you buy the ready spray bottles, it will cost you around $3 to $4. But here's the trick. You get this Lysol disinfectant bottle, which is a concentrate in Dollar Tree or even in Walmart for around 80 to 90 cents. Use that. Use only like a few tablespoons of it. You can make 5 gallons of disinfectant spray using this Lysol concentrated liquid. You get Lysol, you get Clorox, many different brands. And rest, fill it with normal tap water and give it a good shake. That's all you will need, and you will make 5 gallons of this disinfectant spray. You can use any spray, any disinfectant of your choice. There's Dettol, there's Lysol, and there's Clorox, and these things will save money for you in the long run. This is what I do in my house, and I just wanted to share these tips with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.